What's up guys, this is the Russian Genius and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you a pretty cool coin trick that is quite easy to do and it looks also quite amazing. Here's what it looks like. We have a coin. I'm going to grab the coin just like this, snap my fingers and it actually vanishes. Gonna grab this right here and this is actually a coin. So that is what it looks like. Let me show you it once again. Gonna grab the coin, snap my fingers, disappears, grab another coin right there, and just like that it reappears back inside the hand. So let's move on into the tutorial. This is actually quite simple. There are two ways of doing it. The first way looks like this. You're gonna be holding the coin and then you're going to place the coin inside your hand while you're holding it like this. First your hand is gonna be open, then you're gonna place in, and then you're going to close the hand and make sure you are not flashing. So like that, and now what's gonna happen, this is the first way of doing it. You're going to grab the coin with the middle finger and the thumb. So you start off like this, and then you go down, and then you grab it with the middle finger and thumb, and you place it on top of the hand, and then you place the fingers back again like this, and you act like you're still holding the coin. Yeah, this looks dirty, yeah? You act like you are holding the coin inside by, you know, squeezing the fingers back together. So it looks like you placed the coin, you place it in like that, snap your fingers and it vanishes. Or if you want, you can open your fingers slowly like that and show that it's fully vanished. And basically the coin is really loose. It can fall off any point. If you are sweaty it will help, but it can fall off any point. So you go and grab a coin out of thin air, you know, you grab it like this, you place it down here once again with all these three fingers, you grab it with the index finger and thumb, you place it down, and then you take the coin like that, and when you're going to reproduce it, then what I like to do is I like to open my fingers slowly and like that. It looks quite visual and quite magical if you open your fingers like this and then boom, just like that. Looks actually quite cool. And in speed, this way would look something like that. Grab a coin, take it there, grab it like this, and reappears inside the hand. That is the first way. The second way of doing this looks like this. What you're going to do is you are going to lick this part of your hand. You're going to make sure that there is a little bit of moisture on top, so you know it's a little bit sticky. Once you have licked it, you are going to do the exact same thing, but this time instead of placing it down here far away from the hand, you are going to place it near the top of the hand and you are going to squeeze a little bit, just squeeze a little bit. And as you can see, look how the coin is sticking to the hand. This is brilliant. Look at that. There are a few similar coin vanishes to this. There is a coin vanish that someone showed me before where you do this and then you use the skin to hold the coin like that. And you know, I'd never really liked it because I can't do it. So in my opinion, this works way better. And then, you know, when you have pressed on the coin and made it vanish, you can feel how sticky it is. And if you want it to stick less, then you can move your hand like that. So, you know, you place it like this, vanish it, and then you can move the hands like this. And when you move it like this with your thumb, you are separating the coin from the hand. So once you press, make it vanish, it is sticky. And then if you do this and say boom, it vanishes. Now the coin is less sticky and can easier fall off. Once you are in this position, less sticky right now, you grab a coin like that, take it, and then make it reappear once again. This is actually quite cool. You know, if you want, you can, you know, make it vanish, and then you can take it, make it reappear, but instead of opening the hand, you can remove the hand, and then you are so clean. You can show everything, you know, you can show from every side right now that there's nothing on your hand. Then you can snap your fingers and show that the coin reappeared. And that looks really good, something that you can do. And a lot of different magicians, they've been, you know, doing this type of coin vanish, where you take it, place it, and where you do something like that, whatever you want to do, vanish it, and then boom. If that's something, then you can easily do it. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. I'm thinking about some tips that I can tell you, but I don't really have any tips. Let me do it slowly, and you can follow along. So, slowly, it looks like this. Grab it, place it on top of the hand, push my middle finger inside, my thumb inside, and you know, make it vanish however you want, and then grab a coin like that, pull this coin up, and then boom, just like that. So that is how it looks like. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are so many different coin vanishes you can do. There's this coin vanish, which I do have a tutorial on, and a lot of different coin vanishes as well. If you want to check it out, then you will find it on this channel. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of different content that you will definitely enjoy, so make sure to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.